In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $17,325 in one single month just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn these commissions just by using free traffic. And I made this commission from the first day of the month of August until the day 30, okay? This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots, guys. I can click over here. This is my dashboard, marketing tools. I have reports, payments, postback. Even my ID is here. I don't need to show that, but that's fine. Just to show you, it's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. This is my commissions, my clicks, my CTR, and so on. So for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, you guys need to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Anyway, step number one, to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website, okay? Search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to use your email address to sign up. You just need to sign up using your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? You just need to come to this page and scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. It's up to $150 just for one single sale. If it's just one person buy a service from you, we have services that are very profitable that you can earn up to $150. So it's really profitable. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. Anyway, you guys can check this website, like I said, to get more ideas and more information. So just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. Will take just few minutes from your time. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard and you should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. So what you need to do next is you need to promote good and profitable services on Pinterest that people will be interested to buy from you so you can earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page on Fiverr and click over here on the search and search for Pinterest. Search for Pinterest design. Search for this one, Pinterest design. Like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Please pay close attention. Search for Pinterest design. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. What you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. It's very important. So let's choose one. I will design professional Pinterest pins. I think this one is good. Like you guys can see, this seller is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. I will click on his service. I'm gonna choose this one and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see how many reviews this seller has. 500 reviews. You guys can see how many people paid for this service. It's working. People are buying these services related to Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account. It's very important. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to copy the link of this seller. Copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. It's super easy. So for people who don't have Pinterest account, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. It's easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest, and you need to choose a business account. If you will create your account, they will ask you, do you want to open personal account or business account? Choose business account. Scroll down, click over here and sign up by using your email address, and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. So this will be your Pinterest home page. So why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has, let me show you. Okay, Pinterest, guys, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products, topics using Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page about Pinterest design pins. Okay, scroll down, click on his picture like this, double click on the picture, click on save image and save this picture to your laptop. So let me show you. I will click on save, go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture about Pinterest pins design like this. Open, and here you go. You just need to put title, description and your affiliate link. Let's start with the title. We will go back to this seller profile page and we will copy his description. You are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, so you can use this title and the description, so that's fine. Go to this description and go back to this seller profile page. Scroll down, you should see this about this gig. This is his description. So what you will do, you will copy this description from here. I'm gonna copy this part, go back to Pinterest and put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Let's go back to our affiliate account dashboard, to this affiliate account. So what you will do next, so for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account and you have a new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click over here on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here keywords related to the service. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. So keep scrolling down. Just keep scrolling down until you see this related tags. Copy those keywords, Pinterest pins design. Copy all those keywords and go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. And you guys can see this is your picture. this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. People who are using Pinterest to grow their businesses on Pinterest, they will be interested to design their Pinterest pins to make them more professional and branding. Okay, so it's working. You guys just need to promote it good, to create good content, and start promoting those services. Start promoting, try different services, and services who will get a lot of clicks. Here you will see this. Always check this stage. Okay, check your analytics on Pinterest. See which pins are getting a lot of impressions, which pins are getting a lot of clicks. Save, and the important is clicks. If a lot of, if your pins, if those pins about your affiliate links getting a lot of clicks, double those services, promote more services like this, and try to create even content. Try to make videos better than pictures. Okay, so instead of using pictures, try to create good videos to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. And that's it. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. And if you are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, I already have an affiliate marketing course that will teach you step by step how we can start affiliate marketing from beginner to pro. Okay, I'm sharing all my experience, all my methods, all my strategies, my mistakes, and so much more. If you are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Please, only serious people, and see you in my next videos.